Hi, I'm Tim, and today we're going to go over the Oliver Model 10010 Jobsite table saw that I use when I'm working out in the field and I need to fine-tune some of my installs. It is the perfect fit if you're building a house or doing remodel work and need something for precise cuts. Also, if you just don't have the space to dedicate to a full workshop, this machine folds up and out of the way when not in use. As I mentioned, with a folding rolling stand, it maneuvers easily around the job site or your shop and can be folded away when not using it, taking up minimal amount of space. Although this saw is small and compact, it is full of features that you'll find on many top-of-the-line stationary table saws. Look at the rapid blade elevation, making it quick and easy to get to the right height for your cut. It also comes with a riving knife for all non-through cuts. And it tilts to the left to reduce the chance of binding on a miter cut and that dreaded kickback. The blade guard has a quick release and a large table insert to get quick access to the blade. And while I have this open, let me show you the arbor lock that makes changing blades a breeze. The real beauty of this machine is found in the electronics. It has a lighted overload protection indicator that will change from green to red if you feed your stock in too fast or the blade gets blocked. Also, look at the variable speed dial. It's easy to adjust, and this motor is designed to produce constant torque over the entire RPM range. Now here's something that you don't find in most table saws: the ability to install a sanding disc instead of the blade. Now you can cut your stock and perform some sanding tasks on the same machine without dragging in a sander on the site. With that variable speed, you can dial in just the right speed for those sanding tasks. The motor is also built with a soft start feature, preventing that big amp draw when you hit the switch on. It also reduces motor noise, vibration, and will extend the life of the motor. One last cool feature is the switch itself, which is magnetic style and prevents the motor from starting up if power is interrupted. The last thing I need is the blade spinning when I'm resetting a job site breaker or plugging the machine back in. Before I go, I want to show you a few neat things this saw includes. Look at all the onboard storage for all the accessories and this adjustable rear support for longer pieces. The fence is easy to adjust and it locks in place very securely. It also features an L-shaped attachment that can be flipped down when cutting thin stocks. One last thing, I know sawdust at the job site is pretty much everywhere, but when you put this thing in your shop, you may want to manage where that sawdust goes. For that, we have a 2.5-inch dust port that you can connect this shop vac or any other dust extractor. So let's recap what all you get. You get a 10-inch 40-tooth carbide blade, a 10-inch sanding disc, a riving knife, a blade guard with anti-kickback paws, a miter gauge, table insert, the rolling stand, and even a push stick. The only additional option not shown here is a dado blade insert, and you can get that in either pre-cut or zero clearance. As with all of Oliver machines, the 10010 job site table saw comes with a 2-year warranty on the machine and a 1-year warranty on all the electronics. To see more of what Oliver Machinery has to offer and to purchase one for your shop, you can view all their entire lineup at olivermachinery.net. Thanks for watching.